What are you doing here?
Oh, you scared me. I am gathering things from around the house that might work with the trailer. Justin just informed me that we're not going to be taking the Westcraft, the 38 Westcraft, to Modernism, and we leave tomorrow. So instead, we're having a new trailer we just purchased delivered to us there, and I have no idea what I'm getting into. So I'm trying to gather some things from the house and around my office, out of the spare bedroom closet, to see if I can't pull this together. From the photos, this trailer that's coming, I'm super uncertain what I'm getting into. I mean, some of the photos I see, it looks really, really awesome, and then other photos that I see, it looks really, really scary. I know it's missing some doors and drawers. I know some windows are missing. It's super dirty. It's been sitting for a million years. And somehow, Justin and I are gonna need to pull this together and make it something that is showable at the Palm Springs Modernism show. We don't wanna freak Brad Taylor out.
And how long did you say that we'll have while we're at the rally to decorate?
The trailer, we leave tomorrow, which is Wednesday, and the trailer is getting there sometime on Thursday. The trailers are loaded into the event on Friday, and then it's all show from Saturday and Sunday. So this should be really exciting or stressful, one or the other.
Check that stuff out.
The day came when John could no longer join in performances.
Hey. So there was another one.
Jerry, how are you? Good to see you.
Hi.
Got our work cut out for us, I think, today. But any day is a good day for the Westcraft, for sure. Jerry,
Hey,
good to see you, man.
Good to be seen.
How are you, buddy?
Yeah.
This is where the wire was taped.
Oh, okay.
For the taillights, but he took all the taillights off.
The wire made a hole.
I love this. Front and back is still there. Tires are good.
See what the underneath is.
Oh,
it's definitely.
Just under Holly.
How's that floor look?
It's painted. Somebody painted the floor.
Oh no. You never know.
Yeah. Well, we're gonna put a new floor in it anyway, but
Okay, wait. The tow truck guy is gonna look up.
okay, we'll get out of the way. You stick my pole out real quick.
I'll let you get tight, then I'll unstrap it. All right. Hold on.
I can't really go that much lower.
Come on down again. Or pull up. Go forward. Go up.
Up?
Up. Forward, yeah. We're going to drop the boom. Tell you what we'll do. Do you have a snatch block?
Yes, sir.
Let's run it on this, and then we'll keep it low.
Easy money. Look at that. You guys knew what you were doing.
You're good. Keep coming.
Not.
Stop.
Now keep coming. You're good. I'll yell out if I have a problem.
Just yell at me.
We're lined up perfect.
That's what I like to hear. Just perfect. That's right.
Now when it touches, we'll stop and I'll pull forward.
have a peanut gallery that's like giving us suggestions.
Alright, we're good.
Behind the tire. Ready to get out with?
I'm gonna pull this one forward and take that one off. Oh, I'm sorry.
How do you plan on doing this in a day?
Well, with a lot of help from you and your mom. What we're gonna do is clean it first. Let's get everything clean and out of here, and then we'll assess it and figure out exactly what we can do to make it look a little bit nicer as a good found original. That's what we're gonna do.
Bringing an unrestored trailer to a trailer alley.
Yeah, that's not something that we typically do, but we just thought it'd be something different, something fun, good original trailer. It's dirty, but we're gonna do our best to clean it and stage it. And with your mom and her skills, I have no doubt it's gonna show amazing.
So Justin, what are your thoughts? Is it better or worse than you thought?
I think it's about exactly what I thought it was going to be.
You were hoping for better?
I was hoping for better, preparing for the worst, you know. It definitely is gonna take today
Yeah.
to work on it for sure. Let's go get some supplies, some cleaning, some
A broom.
to say the least, a broom. Well, let's go in and get some stuff. And worst case scenario, if we decide just to keep it closed and put the awning out in front of it,
Yeah. That's
and
what we do.
and just have a good time and enjoy modernism. We're in Palm Springs. The weather's beautiful.
Yeah.
You know, I mean, shoot, we picked up a Westcraft.
Yeah.
They all need restoration. So worst case scenario, we just hang out and enjoy ourselves and tell people about a cool find, you know?
Yeah. Sounds good. But I'd really like to clean it up. I'd really like to like impress people.
Well, let's give it a
with
shot.
Our amazing skills.
Let's do it. I'm on board.
So we just went to go get some dinner because we've been sitting in the Lowe's parking lot for 5 or 6 hours now. And we come back, and of course right after we turn the time lapse off,
That's all I could do, except for the metal,
there's now cabinetry.
which I can't do until tomorrow, which I can put on.
It'll obviously look new, but this is just a temporary fix. If we end up taking this trailer home, it's gonna get taken down.
It'll get all the electrical done so that it actually has taillights on the back, but
Yeah.
to be safe going home or going to the hotel. Good, right hand. looks like we're missing a right hand.
Can we turn it off?
Yeah, you can turn it off. Press on the brakes. Again, off the brakes. On. Okay. Yeah, we're just missing a filament on that side.
Okay.
That's okay.
Oh, on the temporary lights?
Yeah,
Oh, man.
that's okay.
Okay.
Alrighty, so let's unplug it and then reroute all these wires through.
And are we grill taping them to the side of the trailer, or what are we doing?
I'm not. I'm gonna crawl underneath.
Yeah?
I'm gonna go through the frame, bring it out the front, and go to the back bumper.
Oh, wow.
I don't want anything attached to the body. So
Okay.
I'm gonna take this off, clean this off tomorrow, so that that's not on there, not baking in the sun. And then I'm going to unplug this and run these wires underneath, okay?
Okay.
What they call the shimmy right there. Shimmy along the ground. And pick up as much chewing gum and things like that as you can as you go along. Now I'm going to go back under and pull all the slack and strap it to the frame. We did it, guys. We did it. High five. High five, YouTube audience. Oh, there's Anna. Okay.
Is that, that's
Oh, it's you troublemakers.
Oh, yeah.
How are you?
Always.
Good. How are you? You would find those in your area.
Well, we made it. Palm Springs, beautiful. I'm getting a little sunburn on my forehead while I'm putting the trailer together. Looks like it's going to be a beautiful weekend. So leave it up to Anna to stage things now. I'm going to get the awning set up, get things stabilized, have a good weekend. It's going to be fun.
I'm gonna try. I'll hold it. You got that corner? Oh, okay, we'll see. We estimated on the length too. Okay. Have you measured this to see?
Just like
Put
that.
water
Yeah,
on
that's
it.
kind of
We're
the hard
missing
thing
some
about
windows.
coming down and buying a trailer, where you get in a trailer, the next trailer,
Oh.
because they don't get to see what you did to the
I
last trailer.
know. You're like, oh. Yes, yes. Okay, the awning's up. I've got Justin sweeping the rugs. And I think we've done just about as good as we could do in 24 hours with this trailer. So it's all done and ready for the show tomorrow. It's here in Palm Springs, and it's going to be running Saturday and Sunday, and I'm not 100% sure of the dates. What's the date? The 24th, February 24th and 25th. So hopefully we can see you here.